I am so excited today to teach you how to make these flowers. You can see I made 3 different kinds of flowers, and they're so much fun to create. I created these flowers using painted papers, and I want to show you how I did that today. I'm going to start out by showing you this one. What I love about this flower is it actually has a 3D effect, and it pops off the page. So let me show you how I created that. What you'll need is some strips of paper. They can be any length that you would like. So I'm going to select these. You can mix up the colors. You can have it all the same color, whatever you would like. I've got a bin of these over at the supply table. The next thing you're going to need is a circle for the center. And you can cut your circle into any size that you want. I pre-cut these just to help you out. So you'll need actually 2 circles for that. So I've got my 2 circles. And I've got my paper strips. What you're going to do is you're going to decide which circle that you want to be the center of your flower, and the center of your flower that will be showing, so like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that flower, you're going to turn it over, and I'm going to cover the entire back with glue. And you can use glue sticks or Elmer's glue for this, whatever works best for you. Then you're going to take your paper strips and you are going to glue these down right along the edge of your circle, just like that. So you can see I kind of have like a pinwheel effect here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come back, you're going to cover these with glue, and you're going to see when you fold back those paper strips. Now, I have found that sometimes those paper strips like to pop back off, so a lot of times I've got to kind of hold them down with my fingers. That's just a little tip for you. You're going to hold them down with your fingers just like this. So I've looped each one over. Then I'm going to go ahead and cover all of this with glue. And it's almost like you're making a sandwich. You're going to take the next circle and put it on like that. And I have now created a 3D flower. Now, if you wanted to, you could add more strips onto that, but I just wanted you to get the idea. And then you would go ahead and add your stem to your flower. The next flower I want to show you how to do is this one. And this is super simple. You're going to need the same circle for the center. And like I said, you can cut your circles any size that you would like. But to get the petals for this one, all I did was go use some painted paper. And I started from the edge, and I just simply cut out a U shape, just like this. And you can cut these out any size that you would like. And we're going to be doing the same thing I did for the 3D flower, although this one is flat. But when you just put the glue, let's see, I'm going to do one more. When you just put the glue on the circle, you'll notice the petals kind of curl up just a tad, and it really makes them look great. So I need a circle for the center, and this time you just need one. I'm going to turn that over. I'm going to cover the back with glue, and I'm simply going to put each petal going around the edge, just like this. This is a quick, easy one. And when you turn that over, now you notice this one came off. I might just want to add a little bit more glue there. But for this demonstration, let me show you. You also may want to give it a minute to finish gluing. That flower looks just like this. You can make the little sandwich with it again with 2 circles, but you can get the idea from that. The third one I'd like to show you is this one, and it looks like a sunflower. I created it exactly the same way I did this one, but when I cut out, instead of doing a U, I made this sunflower petal shape. So let me show you that. You're going to use the painted paper, and notice it goes to a point in the center like this. So you're going to cut these out, and you're going to attach them to the circle in exactly the same way. So you would turn it over, put the glue all the way around, and glue those down. And you will create, and actually on this one I did 2 layers of it. I thought the 2 layers really added to it. And then you'll add your stems, and I even added some leaves just like this. Well, I know you were just as inspired by Vincent van Gogh's sunflowers as I was, and you'll have a great time creating your flowers for your vase. So have a good time today.